Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and great day today. No complaints on this side. Hope your day was well also, but let's get into the Dow. As I said, we did dip a little bit today, but once it hit this trend line as support, I keep telling everybody use these trend lines, but anyway, it's perfect and bounced right back up to close green. We will test this high right here. And if we do break it, we are going to get rolling to the upside. Okay, so let's take a look at SPY. SPY is the same way. SPY came in out of that consolidation box, had a little dip today. They were waiting around for, I guess, Obama to talk, and he spoke, and then we recovered nicely. So look for this upper trend line, 198, to get hit very soon. There's going to be a big candle coming sooner or later. Any sellers today, the buyers stepped right in, even though we're at 73. I think once we hit this, we're going to have that nice little pullback and consolidate again before we start trekking higher. So keep an eye on that. Let's look at Dust. All right, so Dust, we had a beautiful run from here up, and our options portfolio went up 256%. Then we called the bottom, we called the drop here. And we actually got lucky because we rode it through here. We said, all right, let's hold it. Broke the 50 middle Bollinger Band because it's going to go lower. Then it came over here and sat right here on the 50-day moving average. Went under it just a little bit, just enough to say, okay, it's going to go lower than that. And sure enough, it did. So from 28 down, there was another I think 760% gain from the top. So if you're with us in chat, this is how well you're doing, just for the record. So we're really managing this. We did pick up our next trade on this, and we're all ready for it. So if you're in live chat, we will explain to you, and you can make money to this huge bounce to the upside. But where is it going to go, and how much can you make in what strike? Well, we'll have to find out. So your relative strength index is real low on this one. So keep an eye on this. All right, let's look at STEM. STEM had a nice day today. Really nice alert in the chat room today. Closed up at 208, broke over the $2 mark. Looks really, really nice. So the next resistance for STEM right now on the daily is up here, basically at 235. But if we take this further out and look at the monthly, we're gonna skip over the weekly and go right out to the monthly. You have it closed pretty solid under this. I think this will be the next resistance is 629, because this consolidation box is really starting to, you have your double bottom here, you moved up again another level here, now you broke out of the middle Bollinger Band. You're going to have some resistance right here at 218 on the monthly, but then I think we're going to start moving higher. This candle here will probably be your first area of resistance, the 544, but we do have to get out of this little box right here. If you want to create the box so you can see it, what I like to do is use older candles. So this candle will be a top, this will be a bottom, and draw it out, and then you'll have your square right there. And we'll go from there. So keep an eye on STEM. It's going to get a little bit of resistance here at the 200-day moving average on your monthly, and then probably start moving forward a little bit higher. You're probably going to get a blow off like it did here. Probably get a blow off like it did here, and that could be coming pretty soon. So keep an eye on it. Relative strength index is only at 58. SW SH, very nice today on a nice pop up to the upside. Swisher Hygiene, there's a big move for them today. So keep an eye on this one. Look for, this is the monthly, so we're going to switch out of that. Look for 657. But let's go back to the daily. All right, so they did the split here, consolidated, and then they started moving higher. So that's what you want to keep an eye on. If this can get going to the upside, it really could get going. So looking back at the monthly now, you can see what your next resistance is going to be. Okay, so you're going to have underneath these candles right here 657. So keep an eye on that. But it looks like they're going to get a push up there, even though you're getting a little overbought. Looks like that's the direction it's going to go. Let's take a look at one more. GBR had a great day today. I don't want to give away too much here. One from, it's really trending to the upside very nicely. We were talking about it back in here, and it really did well today. A lot of profit takers on this move. It's been accumulating since all the way over here. So, of course, all these buyers are saying, all right, I'm going to take some profit here. And they actually did, and then it's going to accumulate for a while and then move to the next light. So I'm going to figure right around 328 will be the next, well, right around 330. That'll be the next area of accumulation you're overbought in your daily. All right, this is Matt over Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. If you're ready to make bank with us, join us in live chat. 119 a month. Go for a 6-month trial basis. If you don't like it, you know where the door is. You don't have to stay, but I can pretty much guarantee that you're going to be there forever. All right, everyone, have yourself a great night.